Hello everyone, welcome to the Elephant Robotics channel. Today we are honored to have an in-depth conversation with Swiss Science. Just keep watching and learn more about our partnership. Hi Takasu-san, I'm Penny from Elephant Robotics marketing team. Let's begin the interview now. Could you talk about your journey and current role at Swiss Science?
Hi, my name is Takasu, Global Business Development at the Swiss Science.
Could you briefly introduce Swiss Science, including its business scope and target customer groups?
The Swiss Science is a Japanese company focused for makers, for make something tools from the global. Our company, Swiss Science, is a platform for the open source hardware. We do a lot of open source hardware for the makers, such as Raspberry Pi, Arduino, servo motor, robot arms, M5 stacks, and camera and sensors. Our customer is 33% is university and high school, other 33% is company's laboratory, and the other 33% is individual makers in all around in Japan.
What do you think of the maker community?
Maker means from the idea to the real things. Japanese maker community is top of the world. Many projects made by maker by themselves. High quality and very good idea. Japanese DIY is very hard to say, expect makers. All Japanese company and university also collaborating with makers too.
What is your perspective on the current state and potential of robotics technology and AI technology?
AI causing more easier to making things. Previously, many microcontroller users start to LED bringing, but currently LED bringing is too easy. 30-40 years ago, have to making the circuit for LED bringing. Not so easy, but now it's very easy to just programming things to LED bringing. Now, control the robot and also make moving things is not so easy. How control the motor, have to make a motor driver by themselves. And making the robot means backlash, inertia, lot of physics knowledge have to learn before making the robot. But now, AI and new robot technology make more easier to make the moving things.
How did you come to know and chose to become a distributor of Elephant Robotics?
We, Swiss Science, very long time partner was Shenzhen M5 stack. They found a robotic arm in this myCobot. That's the reason why I know the Elephant Robotics. Swiss Science and Elephant Robotics relationship is more than 3 years. We start to sell in Japan probably 2020. Many Japanese users, such as software engineer, want to try robot. They will buy the myCobot series. This is a myCobot 280 M5 version, but Elephant Robots have also Raspberry Pi version. And at the laboratory, they making a lot of new things. That's the reason why I felt an opportunity was there. Then make the distributor contract with Elephant Robotics between Swiss Science.
How do you employ to promote robots within the Japanese market?
Maker market is different than others. Maker have to find by themselves and also have to promote by themselves. I support to the Japanese robotics community, such as Robot OS, factory automation, and also makers.
Do you encounter any challenges and opportunities?
Some Japanese engineer written the books about the myCobot, but in these books is not so many. I need more books and tutorial makes by the user by themselves. At the Maker Fair Tokyo, I saw 4-5 projects by the myCobot, but we need more. My AGV is a very good product, I know, but current Elephant Robotics is too many robots in the same field. We need some different each part of the characteristic.
Which robotic arm does the maker community prefer more?
Current Elephant Robotics product line, myCobot is best one. Other robot arm is not enough to sales value at the myCobot. myCobot is very unique product. 6 DOF, high interoperability as ROS, and not so expensive. But accuracy and predictability is not so high. This is very unique character in robot arm field. That's the reason why I very succeed.
myCobot 280 has 4 versions. Which version of myCobot 280 is preferred by the maker community?
In Japanese market, M5 is best because many Japanese users are using myCobot with laptop computer.
How do you provide feedback and suggestions to Elephant Robotics to improve their products and services?
Currently, product line is a bit confused. You should making the more clear for the each. We switch tires still continuous customer support for Japanese users, but more easy to getting the repair parts and also tutorial for the robot arm is important. Switch tires have some stocks for the replace. myCobot stock is enough, but other robot arms stock is not so enough. Each robot arm's tutorial on how to replace the parts is different. We still continue to talk with the two companies, Elephant Robotics and Switch Science.
Do you believe that AI is beneficial for improving the quality of human life?
This is a bit similar answer was the previous question. Making things is a very natural human habitat. AI makes making things easier. That is better for the human life, definitely. Every technology will be misunderstanding, also misusing. This is the same as car, airplane, telecommunication, computer, and also AI. Around 10 years ago, I'm working for the search engine and also recommendation system. After that, the machine learning and search engine and recommendation system is very support for the buy something and also choose something. Then AI more progress day by day. Now the AI is a broadness for supporting many activity for the human being. But still only for the laptop, only for the computer, not the robotics yet. In the near future, more easy to make recommendation for how makes robot.
What expectations or recommendations do you have for the future development of robotics?
Programming is only for the information science, but for the robotics, all parts, all hardware is different. Like my program in my laptop and your program in your laptop is completely same, bit by bit. But my robot arm and your robot arm is slightly different. Same robot arm ID number, but different hardware situation. Today's robot and tomorrow's robot also different. The all electricity also different. That's the reason why physical things is much difficult than just computer science. The old style robot need a very separate from the human being. But now the robot can working but is human. That's the reason why service industry, such as hospital, have the opportunity to use a robot. In the future, everything will be more easier. Better programming, robotics programming language by AI, better communicate with the robot by the computer science. I have very opportunity to making things easier.
Do you have any expectations for further cooperation between Elephant Robotics and Switch Science?
Last year, Elephant Robotics coming to the Tokyo Maker Fair and talking Japanese user directly. This is very good things for our marketing. I strongly believe coming again at the next Maker Fair in Japan and talking user together.
Thanks to Takasu from Switch Science for accepting the interview. That's all for this interview. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give us a thumbs up and share it to your friends. We will see you in the next video.